Right, so I'm just going to get another quick video of cooking some food down by the river again. So yeah, head down there, go down the opposite side. So treacherous down this little track here. Just making my way down river now. Sun's bright. It's some sort of fucking drop. Yeah, that get down here and you see people have been here and just left all the rubbish lying about. Fucking dirty cunts, man. It just ruins it for everybody else. Not good. And clear your shit up like. So this is the opposite side of the bridge. Fucking beautiful down by the river here. Apart from all that rubbish over there, some dirty cunts left. It just ruins it, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Nice day for it. So I'll whip out the cooking equipment, get some sausages. Sausages don't go for sausage sandwiches. Had to go bushcraft style and just use some dry tinder. I had no paper or anything, so should be right. Burning away nicely there. Perfect. Nature always provides. Nature always provides. Today nature has provided me with a perfect stick snapping tool. Perfect. It's spot on. Put them bits on there. I'm just going to quickly make myself a quick steak and kidney pie on the frying pan here. So I'm just going to throw a few ingredients together and throw it on. So back in a sec. Right, that's my pie about ready. Steak and kidney pie. Just threw a few bits in the pan, a few ingredients, and it's cooking nicely. That, so I'll take that off. Oh, look at that. Oh. Enjoy me me fire cooked BUSHBOX steak and kidney pie. I'll cook that to perfection. Can't beat a bit of bushcraft cooking. Lovely. Rich gravy, steak and kidney. Right. Yeah, they're going to cook up these sausages. I've got sourced them from local butchers. Best quality meat and sausages money can buy, like. So yeah, I'm gonna get these bad boys on the go. Get them fried up for sandwiches. Oof, can't wait. Sausages cooking away there. Give them a good few minutes. Yeah, so while I wait for sausages to cook, I'll be enjoying a beverage. Can't beat can of Stella, like. Oof, fried up nicely them, like. They look about done. So get them on the bread with some tomato sauce, sausage sandwich. Spot on that. You can taste all that good quality meat in sausages, like. Lovely. Yeah, so got to celebrate England's win over Sweden as well, get through to semi-finals. So yeah, come on England. Right, so that's another video done. Left no trace, no crap lying about like over there. So yeah, head on back up. I have to climb up this bank here, man. Lovely views round here. It's nice. So yeah, that's another video done. Another little evening down by the river, a few tinnies, sausage sandwich and my campfire steak and kidney pie, which was delicious. So yeah.